What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page fast. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. I am here to help you and to guide you. Alright, so please remember to like this video and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now, please watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how I make landing pages very fast. Currently, I'm on a 100-day video challenge, right, where I make one video every single day, right? It's been tough and stressing, but well, it's been an amazing adventure, right? So please, let's dive in. So to create my landing pages, I already have a subscription to GetResponse, right? So it's my email service provider. All right, by the way, I'm going to leave a link for you in the pinned comment section. All right, so you could snag your discount of GetResponse. Okay, so GetResponse is a great email service provider. So beyond helping me to create forms and newsletters, and landing pages, and contact and autoresponders, it's been super amazing. Okay, so I'm going to use GetResponse to create this landing page, and I'm going to show you how easy and how fast it is. All right, so let's dive in. So first of all, you could look at how simple and easy to use this platform is. Okay, now we could use this button here on the left hand side. All right, now by the way, if you have any challenges while you're using this platform, okay, you could simply click on this blue button that says chat 247. All right, and in seconds you'll be connected to a technical support, okay, so who will help you glide through any challenges that you'll be having. So far I've had to contact them quite sometimes, and they've been super helpful. All right, super very helpful. And you want a platform where people will always be there for you if you have any challenges, and to do that I recommend you get started with GetResponse. Okay, so I'm going to head over to here. All right, so we can use this drop down menu. We click on it, we have several options that we could use. We could create a newsletter, or a landing page, or a funnel, or a campaign, or a form, or an autoresponder. Okay, so we want to create a landing page, so just click here on create landing page. So there are several templates that we have. All right, now don't forget, if you choose here, you could just build from scratch. Okay, but well, why waste the time when you could just edit any of these templates that are available here. Now if you look on the left hand side here, we have general landing pages that are for sign up and registrations, promotions, downloads, sales, about me, webinars, video, thank you pages, holidays. All right, so and these are lots of amazing stuff. Okay, so I just scroll down here so you can get a view of what's available here with GetResponse. Okay, so I think I'm just going to keep looking, and okay, oh, I think I want to go for this. All right, so this is, so you just click once and you select the template. All right, now the next thing to do is that we're going to give this a name. Okay, so we call this new robotic page. All right, and then we click, so we scroll down here. This is how it looks like, and yep. So, and also it comes with a thank you page that you can also customize if you want to when you're ready to. Okay, so this is what it looks like too. All right, so we click on next step. So awesome, this is loaded. All right, so currently if we look at this page, several things to note here. All right, so this is the logo. All right, so if we click on it, we could change that by hitting this button. Okay, so we click on this button, we can choose any of these images we have here, or we could these are files I have already, or we could get a free GetResponse image. Okay, this is another amazing feature that doesn't come with some popular email service providers. Okay, then we could also check out Shutterstock's gallery, where we will get high definition images, but some of these are paid. All right, so see, $5, $5, $5, and so we don't want this. Okay, and we could even add GIF, just to make what we do more fun. Okay, or we could click here to upload a file. All right, so we just drag it and we drop it, and that's how we add it. So it's quite simple to use. All right, so let's just head back. I think I want to change this, so let me just work on that. All right, so obviously you want to have your logo ready. All right, so I'm going to upload mine right now. So first we click on this button and head over to add files, and then select a file from a computer. So this is my computer right now, and I want to head over to find my logo. All right, so currently I've added my logo, and we could scale it. All right, make it bigger. Okay, I think this is good enough. All right, so and then we could work on this text. All right, so we double click here, and we can change this. Okay, so if we look over here, we could change the font to Arial or Chanjawan or Chewy or Korean, whatever we want to. And of course we could change the font sizes. Okay, we could make this a bit smaller, or we could make it quite bigger. Okay, we could also change the color of our font. Currently it's black. We could go for something purple, just to, yeah, I think that's good. Then click on OK. All right, so that's about that. We could also do some formatting, so the bold, italics, underline it, cross it. You could add a link to this particular text. Okay, so we could just that's all about this. Now for this button, if we click on the button, just double click twice, we could change several things. Okay, first we could increase the size of this, or we could reduce it. We could also change the text on the button or the font size, and of course we could change the color. All right, we could make it bold or italics, just plain normal formatting. Okay, we could also work on the link that this button leads us to. Okay, so if we click here, all right, so if we click here, it takes us to a section. Okay, but actually we could change this to a URL. All right, so make it web address and enter it right here. Okay, and then you could choose whether you want it to open in a new window or to just open in the same window. Right, click on OK. So if we look at this, so that's that for this button. Over here we have this really nice image. Okay, that if we wanted to, we could also change this image. All right, so that's it over here. So I double clicked twice, and here we have the image. So it's a background image, and of course we could change it if we want to. All right, or we could make this a background color. Click over here and we choose let's say we choose ash. Okay, that's for the background. Now if we wanted to, if we look at we look to the right hand side here, we have some options that we could explore. All right, we could add a section. All right, we could add a product box, we could add some text, we could add an image or a button. We could add lots of stuff. We could add some shapes or a video. Okay, we could add a countdown timer, or a video, or link, get over to Twitter. Okay, so these are lots of stuff. Now we could work on this, but I don't want this. So I simply click on it once and get over here and delete this. Okay, so this is where the form has been attached. Now, when we look over here, we could also edit this text if we wanted to. So just double click twice and we can edit that. All right, we have a name, an email, a country, and a phone number. Okay, then we have this button here. Now, if we remember, this button here says it leads to section 3. Okay, but recall that we had deleted the second section, so this is section 3, right? So we want to go back here and double click. Okay, so change this link to, so it says, now it says section 260. Okay, so we could just leave that the same way it is, because when people click on it, it's going to take them to this section where they'll get to fill it out, the form that we have. Okay, and of course you could work on the footer. You could edit all of this and all of this. You could edit this if you wanted to. Check this background color, we could do that also. So if you notice now, the various parts of this form are editable. So for instance, if I don't want this, so you click on it once and we click delete and it's gone. We click on this once, we click the trash icon and it's gone. Okay, so that's quite easy to use, right? Don't forget, we can always toggle and preview how this will look on mobile and on PC. So let's see how this will look on mobile. Okay, let's go. All right, so I think this looks amazing on the mobile, so it doesn't need any much, except I don't want this to show on mobile, so we could delete them all. So this gone, this is gone, and this is gone. Okay, I think I prefer it this way. All right, and then we have to work on the settings, because remember, this form needs a list where to be entering. Okay, so we head over to settings. All right, so over here we have this page. We could add a description, and of course we could add a favicon if we wanted to. I'll click on OK. All right, now when we're done with this form, what we want to do is that we want to click on say save. Okay, so when this form is done saving, we click on next step. All right, so we are being asked to look at our thank you page, so click on return to editor. So this is what the thank you page looks like for the mobile. Okay, I think I want to delete this again. I don't want this, so delete this and delete this, and we also delete this. Okay, of course that would be available on PC, so this is the PC preview for that, right? So we click on next step. All right, so this is the next step. All right, we have to choose a page title for this particular landing page. We have to add some description, so I could say sign in to receive more info on robotic products. Okay, and we could choose whether we wanted this to be indexed in the search engines or not. And then all right, so over here on the landing page URL settings, so we could choose what we want here. Okay, so we could choose whether we want this gr8grid.com or subscribemenow.com or greatresponse.com. Okay, or this subdomain. We could edit this and make this say robotics. So our landing page URL will be robotics.gr8.com. okay, so that's how it appear, right? But if you wanted to, you could click on this and then you'll be led through the process, the steps to add a new domain. Okay, then secondly, most importantly, we want to choose a list where everyone who is subscribing to this particular form would be entered. Okay, so right now it's on the pro login form. If we click on this drop down menu here, I have several forms here, several lists. Okay, so we just choose one of them, and I'll leave that on the pro login course. So now with this confirmed opt-in, what it means is, so if someone fills this form, enters their details, GetResponse will send them another email to confirm their subscription. Okay, so I don't want this, so I'll toggle it off. All right, so now what this means is I already have an email sequence, right, for this particular email list. Okay, so GetResponse wants to know whether I want this person to be added to my email sequence. Okay, the first cycle. So I could turn this off. All right, so when we do that, you see the person doesn't get that. Okay, but since it's on at this particular moment, so once the person signs in, subscribes, sorry, they get my first message. Okay, so the default page is what I have here, right? But of course we could change this to a custom thank you page by adding a URL, right? So if we choose custom thank you page, we are asked to enter a URL that we want to use. Okay, so I want this to be the default thank you page, so that it's going to be that way. Of course, you could use your analytics. You could also add your Google ads, or you could make use of the chat window. Okay, so you turn that on, people have an option to send you chat messages on your landing page. All right, so when we're done with this, we hit the publish, and we're done creating a landing page. So awesome. We are here on this page. All right, so you can see, says you can see your landing page at, so if you double click, sorry, if we right click here, open this in a new tab, we will see how the landing page looks like. So we could just do that by just clicking on this button that says view your landing page online. We could manage our landing pages on GetResponse. We could also click here to create another landing page. All right, so leave a comment down below. Let me know what software have you been using to create your landing pages. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.